How to create video wall in Premiere Pro. So I have these 9 animal clips here. The next thing we're going to do is click over here, highlight them. All right, click, and then choose Set to Frame Size. Then highlight everything again, and then go up to our effects. We're going to type in transform, and then drag transform onto all of our clips. We're also going to click on crop, and drag that onto all over the clip as well. Then click on first clips, then scroll down here, and I'm going to type in 66.6%, it off to there, and same off from the bottom, 66.6. Now we're on second clip. Now we're going to go 33 off of both left and right, and then 66.6 from the bottom. So the next one here, now we're going to go 66.6% off the left and bottom. So now we've created those 3 right here, our next 3, and we're going to go to 66.6 from the right. We need 33.3% from the bottom and top. Now we're dealing with this middle one right here, and this is going to be 33.3 all over the place. And next one is going to be 66.6 from the left, and then 33.3 top and bottom. And then we're on to our last 3. This bottom left corner right here is 66.6 from the right and top. Now second last one is 33.3 left and right, and the top is 66.6. And then the last one is 66.6 left and top. Now we can use transform right here to scale everything, and it'll fit exactly now. Follow for more video tips.